In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly move elements around on your car.co page. If you've ever felt the need to rearrange your website's elements but weren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. To begin, you'll want to head over to your specific page on card.co that you wish to edit. Make sure you're logged into your account and located on the correct page. It's crucial to start here because being on the wrong page might lead to unintentional changes elsewhere, and we want to avoid that. Once you're on your designated page, take a moment to observe its layout. This overview will give you an idea of what you want to shift around and the potential new positions for your elements. Now, with your page open and ready, the next thing you'll do is select the particular element you wish to move. This could be a text box, an image, a button, or any other element you've previously placed on your page. Identifying the right element is important, so be sure you're clicked on the correct part of your web page. You can usually tell which element is active since card.co highlights it for you. Once you've determined which element you want to move, the process becomes even simpler. You just click and hold down on the element. This action is akin to picking up a real object with your hand. With the element held, you can now drag it around your page. This drag and drop feature is straightforward, making it wonderfully intuitive for anyone to use. As you drag the element, you'll notice that the rest of your page adjusts to accommodate its new position. It's designed to help maintain a balanced and aesthetically pleasing layout, which takes a lot of the guesswork out of arranging your page's components. And just like that, you're done. It really is that easy. Understanding how to move elements on your car.co page can give you a lot more freedom in designing clean, functional, and visually appealing layouts. This skill can help keep your page looking fresh and orderly, attracting and retaining your visitors' attention. Before you finish, take a look at the overall appearance once you've moved your elements around. Ensure everything is aligned properly and that the page still makes sense visually and functionally. Making these small adjustments can tremendously impact how professional your site looks. Practicing this skill repeatedly will make you even more adept at creating neat, user-friendly pages. That's it for today's tutorial. With a little practice, moving elements on card.co will become second nature to you, enhancing your site's design and overall aesthetic. Happy editing!